Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your Steam trade link. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main Steam interface with all your games and features ready to go. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Go ahead and hover your mouse over your username and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Inventory. This will take you to your Steam inventory page where all your in-game items, trading cards, and other collectibles are stored. Once you're on your inventory page, look over to the right panel of the screen. You'll notice several options available here that relate to managing your items and trading. Click on Trade Offers. This section is specifically designed for managing all your trading activity on Steam, allowing you to send and receive item trades with other users. After clicking on Trade Offers, you'll still be working in that right panel. Now, look for and click on Who can send me trade offers. This option controls your trade privacy settings and determines who has the ability to initiate trades with you. It's an important security feature that gives you control over your trading activity. Finally, look for the section labeled Trade URL. Right here, you'll see your unique Steam trade link displayed. This is your personal trading URL that you can share with others when you want to receive trade offers. Each Steam account has its own unique trade link, and this is what other users need to send you trade offers directly, even if they're not on your friends list. You can copy this link and share it on trading forums with friends or anywhere else you conduct Steam trades. And that's it. You've now located your Steam trade link and can use it to facilitate trades with other Steam users. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.